Hello, today we are practicing auscultation of the heart. Our student's name?
My name is Abdul basit. I'm from group 226.
Okay, please.
So we have 5 points to listen to the heart. The first point is the mitral valve, which is mid-clavicular line, and then fifth intercostal space.
How much centimeter inside?
1.5 to 2 centimeters.
Okay, please. Listening.
So this is mid-clavicular line, the fifth intercostal space is here. The first sound is loud and the second sound is not as loud as the first one.
First sound higher. This. Okay. Next point.
The second point is aortic valve,
Okay.
which is second intercostal space next to the sternum.
Near the sternum. Okay.
And then the third point is opposite side, second intercostal space next to the sternum. On the opposite side of the aortic valve is pulmonary valve. And then there is the fourth point is tricuspid valve on the Ziegfeld process.
Okay, good job.
And then there is the fifth point, which is Airbus point, third intercostal space next to the sternum.
Left side. Okay, we are completed, and we need and again putting we are phanidoscope mitral valve point, and we need counting heartbeat this place in 1 minute. You understand? Okay.
Next class.